Yo, back at it again with the Miata. I got a used exhaust recently, and put it on. I didn't get any video of that because I didn't have my camera. There's a bunch of people around, whatever, didn't happen. So I got this exhaust on. Took a while because the studs broke, but it's on. Sounds good. I don't know what kind it is. It's just a little bit louder. It ain't loud at all, really. It sounds good. I think I like it. I cleaned up the tip. It was looking pretty nasty. Scuffed that up, polished it up. Now, after driving it for a little bit, here's the thing here. You can't really see it. Didn't have a O2 bung for the second O2 sensor. So I just kind of zip tied it up out of the way, and guess what happened? Check engine light came on, because this is a 96. It is OBD2. So what I'm fitting to do is take this center section out, boop, boop, weld a bung in, so I can put the stock O2 sensor back in, make the engine light go away. That's a pretty easy fix for me, I guess, right? Just take it out, weld it in, bing, bang, boom. Ain't nothing but a thing. I'm so strong. This was a pain in the ass. These studs that were in there, sure as shit, both of them broke off. Spent a good hour drilling them suckers out of there. It's all good now. I got it. I just got nut and bolts. G to G. Oh yeah. It's hard to do with one hand, I'll tell you what. Squirt, squirt, squirt. Squirtle, squirtle. 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 Oh, there it is right there. Safety first. That's where I marked it. Oh God, it's moving. Somewhere right about there. Oh yeah. Bung is welded. Ooh, ooh. Damn, that look good. There it is. Hopefully no more check engine light. Bing, bing, boom. All right, another problem I was having with the Miata is I was getting water in the trunk. You know, it seemed like it was coming from the taillight, so I pulled the taillight out, and sure enough, the taillight gasket was just like, bleh, absolutely bleh. Like if you were to look at it, you would literally go bleh. So I ordered some genuine Mazda parts, made in Japan. Got these off of eBay. Let's fix this water in the trunk issue, shall we? Got one of them there small Odysseys, PC 680. I didn't modify the bottom, but I did have to modify the top of the battery tie down. I cut off this side, moved it in so it fit that or there, welded it back on, painted it black. Now it holds it nice and tight like. Watch this. Watch this. Hold on, watch this. Watch this, watch this. I ain't going nowheres. And there's what's left of the old one. Pretty nasty. It's missing a lot of it. I'll go ahead and take all this old stuff off. There's the new one. Just seems like it kind of sits on there. It's probably when you tighten it down, that edge right there pushes against the rubber and seals it. I'll probably have to find another nut because I'm missing one. Shouldn't be too hard to find. No, this place is full of nuts. That looks about right. Okay, side 2. Someone tried to use silicone in there to seal it. Why don't you just get the freaking part? It was cheap, man. Get the right part. Ugh. Bada boom. Big bada boom. Yay. No more wet trunk, hopefully.
I'm done.
I had fun. Did you have fun? It's time to go home now, so I guess I'll see you later. But first, I'm gonna ride home with the top down. Faster than an S2000. Check engine light's gone, BTW. Ah.